Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are obsessed with seltzer like I am, you are going to absolutely love this sparkling water maker from AmazWhip.
I am not kidding you when I say I have a real seltzer problem. And this sparkling water maker is absolutely incredible and is saving me from having so many cans in my house. I am absolutely in love. It was so easy to put together. All you have to do is put the soda gas canister right inside of it, twist it, and you are ready to make sparkling water. I love being able to make all kinds of beverages and adding my own flavoring. It is so easy to use. You fill it with water to the max or minimum line, screw it right up into the machine, and when you press down the button, you will listen for a noise like this. That's how you know it's done, and you now have delicious fizzy water. I am so happy with this. It is such a high quality machine and it is perfect.
If you're sick of having a million cans of seltzer to recycle, then you need to get this sparkling water maker. It is absolutely incredible. And that's my point of view.